This is the message for Sunday, June 29th, 2014. Greetings, dear ones. Today, we will begin placing the blessed tools along a map. Dear ambassadors, we will prepare the maps. One map for each pathway. We will offer these maps to all. We will offer these maps to each ambassador of the light of Genesis. We will begin with China. First, let us place the map of the pathway for China on a table or stand. This stand should be positioned under a great seal. Beneath this stand, we will place a blessed chamber of eternal light. Now, dear ones, on the location of our precious seat of eternal light, we will position a single first rays biotrinity. This is the seat, the location of the central source. From here, we will draw the energy outwards along the pathway leading to China. Yes, it is a great pathway, a pathway of energy, a pathway of star light, a pathway of the forces of the Director of Creation responsible for this specific beam of expression. This specific ray of expression which emerges from the source. We will place a first rays biotrinity on the map onto the location of our precious seat. Next, we will take a set of 5 biotrinities. We will begin with the positioning of the first rays. The pathway for China is guided by the beloved great force of creation, which is expressed in our blessed first rays biotrinity. We will position this first rays biotrinity in the central area of the outer ring of our pathway of initial rotations. We will position the biotrinity with the top point of the trinity facing in the direction of the source. The source of the pathway, the point of origin located within our beloved seat of eternal light. Yes, this is the positioning of the first biotrinity for China. Now we will surround this blessed biotrinity with 2 super cells, a super star cell and a super water cell. These will be placed on each side of the blessed biotrinity. On the left side of the biotrinity, we will position the super water cell, and on the right side, the super star cell. Yes, like this, we will surround the biotrinity with the mighty star energy, initiating the process of Genesis fusion. And at that point, Lantos paused, and I wanted to make sure that I understood which is the left side and which is the right side. So I asked him, so when we're facing the map, the point, this top point will go towards Hawaii, and then we will put a super water cell. Will it go above or below the biotrinity on this side or on this side? And I just pointed to what would be either the left or right side on either side. And so I said, his answer was, it is on the left side of the bio-trinity, the side below. On the right side, we will position the superstar cell. And I then said, so on this side, and I pointed to below the bio-trinity, that is the side for the water, the super water cell, and on this side, the one above, is the one for the star cell, a superstar cell. And he said, yes, very good. And then he paused again, so I said, should the bio-trinity in Hawaii be positioned in any particular direction? And his answer is, for the purpose of the mapping, we will position the top point facing China, facing the direction of expression. As we position the tool in the actual location, this instruction will change. Very good. Now, above the Blessed First Rays Bio-Trinity in China, in the top region of the outer ring of expression, we will position the Aqua Bio-Trinity. Then, between the Aqua and the first rays, we will position the Blessed Light Violet Bio-Trinity. We will place now the pairs of supercells surrounding each of these blessed biotrinities in the same manner as we have placed the sets with our first rays guiding biotrinity. So then I said, so on the left side and on the right side. And he said, yes. Beneath the first rays, we will place the green biotrinity surrounded by a set of supercells. Beneath the green, we will position the pink biotrinity, and we will also surround the pink with our precious set of supercells. And at that point, I was realizing that that's quite a lot of supercells for anybody, and I said, what happens if someone does not have enough supercells to put around each one of these biotrinities? His answer is, use the tools available. Yes, in this way, we have constructed now our first pathway of the star light for the removal of the residues of China, for the formation of the global network of the light of Genesis. Very good. Yes, very good. Many blessings.